Pip's Great Journey. Little Pip loved her home. The sun was warm, the trees were green. But one day the air grew chilly. The leaves turned red and gold. "It's time, Pip," said Elder Wren. "Time to fly far away." Pip felt a flutter in her tummy. "Far away?" she chirped. "Where will we go?" Many birds gathered. They chirped and flapped. It was a big, brave journey. "To a warm land," Elder Wren explained, "where berries grow and the sun always shines." Many birds gathered. They chirped and flapped. It was a big, brave journey. Pip took a deep breath. She spread her tiny wings. Up, up, up she flew. The wind carried them over mountains tall and oceans wide. Pip saw amazing sights. At last, they landed. The air was warm. Bright flowers bloomed everywhere. Pip chirped with joy. She had been brave. This new home was wonderful until it was time to fly again.